Ever found yourself at CVS, wishing you could just tap and pay with Venmo? Well, now you can. Paying with Venmo at CVS is far simpler than you might think, and today, we're going to walk through how to do exactly that, step by step. First, make sure your Venmo app is updated to the latest version when you're ready to pay at the register. Open your Venmo app. Look for the Venmo QR code at the checkout counter. This code is usually prominently displayed next to the card reader or on a stand. Tap the scan icon within the Venmo app to activate your phone's camera, then simply aim your camera at the QR code. Once scanned, your phone will display the payment details, including the store name, CVS, and the amount due. Always confirm these details before proceeding. Tap the Confirm Payment button on your screen. You might be asked to enter your Venmo PIN or use biometric authentication for security. Once confirmed, you'll see a payment sent notification on your screen. Show this confirmation to the CVS cashier as proof of payment. And just like that, you've successfully paid for your CVS purchases using Venmo. It's a quick, convenient, and secure way to use mobile payments. This method works for almost anything you can buy at CVS, from everyday essentials to last-minute necessities. If you encounter any issues, like the QR code not scanning or a payment not going through, first try rescanning. If that doesn't work, ensure your internet connection is stable. For persistent problems, Venmo's customer support can assist. Embrace the simplicity of mobile payments at CVS with Venmo and enjoy a faster checkout experience. Thanks for watching.